I have brought you a very hot gist. This gist is very hot though. It's day hot well. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Busola Oradugba. In fact, there is no introduction today, so let's just go straight to the point. I am pained, guys. Like, I am seriously shocked and pained at the same time. Okay, fine. So a little bit of introduction. Sometimes last year, 2020, I told a few people that I wanted to go into mini importation. Like, I just wanted to do something for myself, you know. But at the end of the day, I saw that many of these guys into logistics, shipping, drop shipping, and all of those, many of them were not trustworthy. So I decided to be patient and probably look for reliable people, and which was what I did. I decided to tell a few friends and I went online to check out logistics company review and all of those. A friend of mine found one. She told me about the guy, that this guy is good, the guy is capable, and of course that was the first time she would be using him as well. So we decided to give it a try. I wanted to start my YouTube channel then. I needed a tripod stand. So we went online, we got pictures, and we sent to this particular guy to place our order. Where do I even start from? Guys, I am shocked. It took forever. Since November last year that we made payments, he told us 2 weeks and we will get our package. It took us November, December, January, and February. Luckily for us guys, our package came today. I can never be more disappointed. I don't even know where to start from the pictures that we sent him to what we got, the videos that we sent him to what we got. It is actually strange. Mind you, I am not blaming this guy for the product that we got. The only part that I'm going to blame him was the part that it really wasted our time. So I got two things. I got a tripod stand and a selfie ring light. Guys, are you even ready for this? You're not, definitely. We sent this guy pictures. See what I got. See it. This thing can't even hold my phone tightly. My phone keeps falling down. It keeps falling down because the tripod stand is very weak. Like so weak. Look at it. Like, I don't even know what to do with this one. What I showed him, what I saw a friend buy, that my friend bought from China too, but it was stronger, way stronger than this. It was way stronger than this. And this is what I got. This is pure nonsense, guys. You can't hold anything. Like, I've been laughing at myself since morning. Like, I can't even stop laughing. I can't stop laughing, guys. This is the ring light. Can you see that it's off? So I'm going to on it. Can you see the difference? I'll be showing you now because it's probably facing the camera. When I tried to use to take selfie, it was nothing close to what I saw online. It was just the same with my natural light. So guys, I am currently using the selfie ring light. What do you think? I'm not saying it's entirely bad, but the point is, feeling it in the hand, me looking at it, it looks like something that will break after 2 days. It's not entirely bad, guys, but at the end of the day, it might just be a waste of money. Do you get the gist? Save money, buy the original ring light. This is with selfie ring light. Without selfie ring light, you will tell me the difference in the comment section. Let me hear from you. What do you think? Am I just exaggerating? But I don't think so. With selfie ring lights, this is with selfie ring lights, and without. No, come on. Like, come on. This is not it. No way. This is not it. Thank you. So my loves, I have compared both. I have checked over and over again because I wouldn't want to mislead anybody. But the point is, this selfie ring light, this, can you see this, is a pure waste of money and you don't need it actually. Use your natural light to film your videos or to take your pictures, your selfies, or whatever you want to do with it. This selfie ring light is a no-no. because it's not different from when you use your natural light. I'm filming with my natural light right now, and look at it. Though the only difference is natural light, you know, now is not stable. I just feel save some money, get the original ring light. Selfie ring light is a no. Hello, yeah, no, I said that. So till I come your way again, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Like, I'm begging you now. Thank you so much.